Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I have a good feel on these two Korean sunscreens, but the Round Lab does feel a little bit better. For this last comparison video, let's go try this Centella and how it compares to this one. Let's put on some sunscreen. It's only been a day, but the Centella is definitely the winner. I prioritize feel and how quickly sunscreens dry and if they have a matte feel or not. This is very similar to the Biore in terms of how quickly it dries and how matte it is. Anessa is still the winner. In terms of smell, all three Korean ones smell pretty similar. They have a very light kind of yogurt probiotic smell. The Round Lab is very slowly being absorbed compared to the Centella is very quick absorbing. It's been a few seconds and the Centella is almost done and matte drying, but on my left arm, the Round Lab is still a little bit oily and still being absorbed. The Centella is interesting. It's the only one that has a pump. I think I prefer a cap that can screw on just because if we're carrying it in a bag, there's a smaller chance of the Centella leaking or accidentally being pressed, but that is very, very low priority. I don't really care about the smell too much either. My favorite is definitely all three Koreans. They smell really, really nice. They're the least fragrant compared to the Japanese ones are a little bit more fragrant. And then the worst is the Neutrogena. You smell like sunscreen all day. I'm going to give this a few more seconds to dry. They're both dry now, but the Centella does feel a little bit more matte and it was quicker drying compared to the Round Lab's a little sticky and greasy. All of them felt way, way better than American sunscreens that I've used. None of the Asian ones left any white cast. I'm gonna be mixing and matching all of them for the next few days before I make a final verdict video. I'm pretty sure Anessa is gonna be the winner and probably Biore just because it's the least expensive out of all of them. But for now, video 220 done.